Yeah. You know what that is. After 2 years in the making of non-stop comments all the time about where's the single turbo kit? We got the single turbo kit and we're installing it in this video. Wait, did I throw the turbo? I wasn't supposed to do that, right? On a real note, here she is. We got a 6466 precision turbo. It took 6 weeks to show up. The actual Speedtech kit that I went with showed up about a month ago. So all week, I've been taking this whole car apart. We got it down to pretty much nothing left. So we are ready to go ahead and throw in all of our Speedtech shit. All right, it's about to get real messy here shortly. We got the manifold. We're gonna have a lot of heat problems. So I've been FaceTiming everyone and their mama with a single turbo kit to help me get through this because I don't know what I'm doing. So I was told to put this heat wrap that came with the kit in a bucket of water for about 10 minutes. I'm not saying it's the best in the world, but it's not the worst to look at. Got it all wrapped on there and that's not what it looks like. I'll put about 3 of those metal zip ties on there because that's what you need so it won't melt like plastic zip ties. So I put metal zip ties on there. So I literally think now it's time to go ahead and put this on the car. Might have to wait on Frankie to get back because this is a heavy bitch to get on there by myself. Frankie's out there eating dinner and I'm just out here trying to eat some Hellcats up. You can drop that left hand. I managed to get the whole manifold on there. Got the studs for the turbo torqued down at 10 foot-pounds on there. And on some of the manifold bolts, you do have to take a grinder to an 11 mil and go crazy with it because there's just not enough room to get a socket on there. Now the next step is to slap in our tile wastegate on there. We got like 7 different springs with this tile wastegate. So we're all gonna use the black and the red one. That's 14 pounds what they were saying. So that's what we're doing. Apparently you have to be world weight champion to put this thing on. But then we got one on hand.
Good thing I own one.
A little bit more on my side. So we got the wastegate on there. As you can see, it's not fully tightened because that way we got some room to rotate it around because we still need to put on our wastegate dump. All right, so we got the V-band on our open dump. You want to keep all the V-bands loose just so that way you have room to move everything around once we have all of our other down pipes and shit in here. Now I'm at the point where I have all this shit on. Now I got to take the O2 sensors off of the old down pipes and put them onto the exhaust manifold. So I got the front O2s on the manifold now. I'm not sure if it really matters which ones go where because they're like literally an inch apart, but this is all literally being filmed before we even have the turbo yet, so we're kind of stuck in the instructions because it says put the turbo on, but we don't have a turbo right now. Now we have a very exciting mod. We got us some Mickey motherfucking Thompsons, boy. It's a 275/40 R17. She's gonna do all she needs to do, I believe. So we got the ET Street SS Mickey Thompsons. These bitches are gonna look absolutely insane on the back of the car. And you might be wondering, what are we wrapping the Mickey Thompsons in? Let me tell you, son, holy shit. This looks insane. I literally might go to sleep with this tucked in my bed with me tonight. Oh my God. This is a weld hairnet. Screenshot this. This is the best looking wheel I've ever seen in my entire life. We went with a 17x10 weld S71. Dude, I'm not kidding. I'm sleeping with this tonight. What do you think this hole's for? Not a center cat. All right, so I'm currently on the way to go drop off the welds in the Mickey Thompsons to go get mounted. I'm so excited to see what these things look like on the car. Bro, this looks absolutely insane. The fitment is perfect. This is wild seeing a weld on the back of this car right now. I've always been dreaming of having the BMW on welds, and we finally made it happen. That is one hell of a tire. So I've literally just been waiting around on the turbo to show up, and it finally showed up yesterday. So huge shout out to Brian at Colorado N5X for hooking me up with a lot of these parts. And all these parts that you guys see in today's video is gonna be available on shopwebbies.com if you wanna get anything for your 335. So this is literally the reason why I haven't uploaded in all December, because Frankie's car is back to stock. And my car's just literally been sitting because I didn't think this was gonna take so long to show up. But today is the day that this single turbo kit on the 335 gets done. All right, there's only one thing left to do now, and we gotta get off this roof and go put in this big ass turbo. Finally gonna mount up this turbo. Just see what we got going on with the fitment. Man, dude, I just feel like that's me versus Hellcats later on tonight. That's a titty. Dude, this looks insane. Hold up. Frank, how are we feeling, man?
This bitch is fire.
Indeed.
Cat hunting.
So I guess we got to verify that we can tighten down on the bolts onto the manifold, and I think we have to probably take the turbo apart. So to take off the housing, look at that. That looks like a lethal weapon that the Air Force would use right there, youngin. Take a look at that. Would you? Shoo, that boy cut you up, boy.
Oh yeah.
It cut up that E93 looking head ass boy.
Dude!
Look. Shing.
The death of Wyatt's motor.
Gapping that old piece of shit 93, huh?
Start
That's
her
gonna
up.
be me.
Start her
That's
up.
gonna be me.
Start her up.
Shoo. Top Gun, that's me, Top Gun. My mustache is coming in. All right, so me and Frank got all the oil feed lines in there. So we got this top one, clocked at 12, and then we got the bonnet one tightened at 6. Boom, that thing looks crazy. We're gonna go ahead and slap on the first downpipe that goes right onto the back of the turbo. There it is. Look at that. Teamwork makes the dream work. Frank's got a denim tent. Hey, leave a comment if you have a denim tent over this turbo.
Yes, great success.
Me and my turbo are gonna watch the ball drop right here. Bow! My turbo's resolution for this year is to not blow my motor up, so. Day 3, turbo install. Man. We got everything bolted in, and now me and Frank are putting in coolant and oil. All we have left to do is tune the car, do the water pump cycle, and bing, rod knock. Frank just torqued all the wheels. Now putting on our little turbo guard. We got CD919's tune flashed on here. Shout out to him for always hooking the boys up with tunes. You guys ever need any tune for your car, make sure to hit up CD919 on Instagram. Tell him Wyatt sent you and he'll hook you up. Here goes our little blankie. I'm a little nervous that we're gonna melt some shit. Bow! That's the sound of me gapping a 5.0. Yo! Sorry, come a long way, youngin'. 6 weeks. This is the first time I've seen the car outside in 6 weeks. This bitch looks insane. The tires are so thick.
Y'all remember my birthday video?
See, thickums, that looks like a drunk night. This just looks insane. If you told me 4 years ago when I got this car, it was gonna look like this, I would've told you you were lying. Starting the year off right.
First day of 2023, boy.
It's literally January 1st. We got us a single turbo N54, youngin'.
Gotta be respectful. Yeah, I wiped it.
So we were told to prime the car like a lot, so I think we're gonna just do it 5 times, make sure there's no leaks. There's one. Man, 6 weeks in the making for this point right here. Oh my God, I'm nervous. We got one tip. I mean, we got a clean build, but we got one exhaust tip. Sounds healthy.
This thing sounds insane, not healthy.
There ain't nothing left to do but do it, baby.
What the hell is this stance?
Yeah, I'm so scared.
I'm scared of it.
Oh God, I'm nervous.
Boys waiting on traffic.
Bro, this car sounds insane.
It does.
Oh my God, bro. What?
Dude, that sounds insane.
Did you hear that?
That was barely anything. That sounded insane.
Oh my God, bro. What the f do I own right now?
Bro, that is...
What the f?
Dude, it probably doesn't sound that crazy on camera, but it's wild. It's loud.
We're in a fighter jet.
That's with no T51 R mod either.
Yeah.
So that's just pure turbo. That's
T51 R mod has to come soon. Is that Wyatt driving up there?
no. This is why down here.
Hey, we smoking on that Hellcat pack, huh?
Holy shit.
Time to get on that 235.
235 looking alive, baby.
That's not. It's just whining. Sounds like our car is used to with a boost leak.
Yeah. It sounds like a GTR, does it not? Oh, dude, bro, this is insane. Oh my God, bro. We're only on wastegate pressure right now. All right, so it was an absolute bitch to do, but I think we found the problem after talking to some people. It sounds like the way I had the wastegate set up, there's like 2 water ports on there and 5 air ports. I guess that's what you could call it. And I think I had one of them in the wrong position, so I went and swapped it over. And I'm praying we're gonna have no overboost issues now. All right, we're having serious boost cuts right now, but there's a charger lining up, so you know what time we on. I can't do a dig right now. You go whenever. I misfired in every cylinder.
You got nitros in there?
Nah, I just put a big ass turbo on it today, so it's having hella problems right now. It misfired like crazy right there.
How much they charge for that?
The car was only 10 grand, but the turbo was like 8 grand. Yeah. What? What's a nitro, buddy?
Do I got cash? I check a bag, It's under my jean, They don't sag,
Went up to Travis's house to give Travis and Mason a look. Still haven't fixed the problems, but talking to CD right now.